Subscribe my channel Sharmin Soma and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make your feet soft and also get rid of cracked feet. So let's get started. First, you have to wash your feet properly. I do this process at night time before going to bed. Here I am washing my feet with normal water because few times ago I just took shower and wash my feet and heel properly. To remove the dead skin from your feet and heel, you must use foot scrubber. There are many kind of foot scrubber in market now. Just choose one of them and then took soap or shower gel, rub it on your feet and then gently rub the heel and your feet with the foot scrubber. After that, wash it off with clean water. I wash my feet and now I am going to my room. I come back to my room and now after cleaning your feet, you have to dry your feet with clean towel and then we will do our next process. Now I'm going to make a skin softening lotion. To make it, I took a small bowl, and to make the lotion I need 3 ingredients. One is any body lotion. I'm using Dove body lotion, and then I'm going to use olive oil. I'm using this olive oil, and the third ingredient is this is the Bridle glycerin. You can use any kind of glycerin, olive oil and body lotion. Now I'm going to mix these 3 ingredients. I'm taking half teaspoon of glycerin. After that I am taking my body lotion, Dove body lotion, like 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to take my olive oil. Also I'm going to take it 1 teaspoon. I think it will need more, so I'm taking little bit more. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to mix these 3 ingredients. I'm mixing it with my hand. If you want, you can use brush or spoon. You can use this mixture not only your foot, you can use it also on your hands and all over your body. It will make your skin, your body's skin so soft. If you have dry skin, then this mixture will helps you a lot. My face is so oily, but my feet or foot is so dry, so I always use this mixture or lotion. Okay, now I am gently massaging this lotion or mixture all over my feet. You have to massage this lotion or mixture all over your feet and heel too. Massage it like 1 to 2 minutes until this mixture goes dry into your skin. I'm putting a cloth under my feet so that my bedsheet don't get dirty. If you want, you can make this lotion more in quantity and then fill it into a bottle and can use it regularly. I have done my one feet. Now I am doing my other feet. Use this lotion or mixture 7 days and then you will see the difference. After 7 days you will notice that this mixture not only softening your fit skin, but it will also help to brightening your skin tone. It will give your fit skin a bright, beautiful, glowy skin. My fit messaging is done, and now I'm applying the rest mixture or lotion all over my hand. It will also going to soft my hand skin too. I told you before, you can use this lotion or mixture not only your feet, but also you can use this mixture all over your body if you have dry skin problem. Look how soft and beautiful my hand and feet skin looking now. Next, the product I'm going to use is a Vaseline. Yes, I'm going to use this Vaseline on my feet heel. It will make my feet heel soft and also going to help to reduce the crack problem of your heel. Vaseline petroleum jelly is a very good crack remover. I use it not only my feet, my heel. I also use it on my lips too in winter and at bedtime at night. So use it and you will definitely get the result. To get a soft and beautiful crack-free feet, I first applied lotion, and after that I used petroleum jelly from Vaseline on my heel. And now to lock the moisturizer and work this lotion and Vaseline all over on my feet, I'm using socks. Yes, it's very important if you want to make your feet beautiful, soft and crack free, you have to use a socks. I'm using a light weighted socks, and I will put it on my feet all over night, and you will see in the morning your feet will very soft and glowy. Try it and let me know how it worked for you. It worked for me. It worked for me all that time. So I'm sharing it with you. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. If someone have this kind of problem, they will also get benefit with this video, so share it with your friends and family, and if someone you know. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all. Bye bye.